In this video, we will be exploring our service merchant settings. To start, we need to log in. Once logged in, head over to the Settings section. Here, you'll find different settings options, including merchant settings, delivery settings, and merchant time settings. Let's dive into the merchant settings first. Within the merchant settings, there are several options to configure, such as settings related to delivery. We offer order settings, free delivery options, cancellation policies, language preferences, and even general settings. Let's begin by exploring our merchant settings. Click on the Edit button to view the settings available. The first setting in our merchant settings is Do you provide delivery? Here, we will discuss delivery options. If you are a service merchant, you should turn this toggle on to offer delivery services. If you do not provide delivery, then you must offer pickup orders instead. If the toggle is on, you can provide delivery to your customers. Conversely, if the toggle is off, delivery service is not available. Next, we have the pricing section. This allows you to set pricing levels. Depending on the rating, you can set the price accordingly. If you choose 2, for instance, you'll set your prices based on that rating. This is an example of how to use the pricing rating to determine the maximum price of an item. Once all settings are selected, it's time to submit. Make sure to verify your data before clicking on Confirm. This will save your merchant settings and apply them to your service. Click on the Edit button, and then you can view our order settings. In these settings, we provide options for our text on items. Here, first, you decide if you want to apply individual tax on each item. If the toggle is off, the tax is not included on a particular item, and if the toggle is on, the tax will be applied to that specific item. Next, in the Tax on Item section, you can apply the tax which we have provided here. This list comes from our admin panel. When adding taxes in the Country section, they will appear here and are derived from the admin panel. Now, let's move to the Exclusive Tax section, which includes whether the tax is included in the item price or is exclusive. If the toggle is on, the tax is included in the item's price and will modify the pricing accordingly. If the toggle is off, the total tax pricing is separate from the main price. Continue to set the total amount in the invoice, and here you can set your minimum order price. For example, we've set the minimum at 15, meaning the user needs to place an order of at least 50 to proceed. Then, click the Submit button and set the password for confirmation. After this, we proceed to the Free Delivery section. In the Free Delivery settings, we provide options for the delivery fee on merchants. If a merchant wants to offer free delivery, then the toggle must be on. If a merchant does not want to offer free delivery, then the toggle is turned off. Here, we are choosing to turn it on. And we need to set up the criteria for free delivery pricing. We offer free delivery for orders that hit a certain price point. Here, we set the threshold for free delivery at $15. Thus, if a user places an order around $15, we provide free delivery for that user. Moving on, we must define the delivery radius for this service. We set the radius at 5 kilometers. This means we offer free delivery for any orders placed within 5 kilometers. For any order amounting to or exceeding 15 rupees, free delivery can be provided. These are our settings for free delivery. Click the Submit button and save the changes. Now let's address order cancellations. Here, you can decide whether to set a cancellation charge. If you toggle it on, you can implement a cancellation charge and specify the scenarios in which it applies. The cancellation charge will apply between the order statuses of coming in and arrived. If you select Accept and then the coming in status, the cancellation charge will be collected from the user. Next, we'll choose the type of cancellation charge. There are 2 options, Absolute and %. If you opt for Absolute, then you can set your charges in a fixed amount. You'll be able to view here the price point at which your cancellation charge will apply. We might set it, for instance, at $20, indicating that the cancellation charge applies to orders above this price. After setting this up, submit the changes. Then, our admin here will provide the languages, which you can view. There are 2 different languages available, and English is mandatory. If you wish to provide additional languages, you must select them and submit your choice. You can set the language from here. Here, you can see which languages, such as Arabic, have been added, and set your data to come from the chosen language. Moving on to the general settings, we include the business and visibility status. When the toggle switch is turned on for the business, users can view the merchant and place orders. However, if the toggle switch is turned off, users will not be able to see the merchant, and the merchant will be unable to conduct business or utilize our platform. Next, we consider the busy status. This status indicates when a service merchant is busy. By toggling it on, users are informed that the specific merchant is currently busy, but customers are still able to place orders. Conversely, if the toggle is off, the user will not see the merchant as busy, indicating that the merchant is available to provide services. For visibility to customers, if the toggle is on, then customers can see the store on the website. If the toggle is off, the customer will not be able to see the merchant on our platform. To apply these settings, we go to the section and click on Submit. Then, we submit our general settings. Lastly, we select the tags for our areas of expertise. Here, we can also define our expertise. Currently, no expertise has been added by the admin. If an admin adds any expertise, you will be able to check it. This expertise is then displayed on our website, allowing our customers to see these tags on our platform. Moving on to delivery settings, we set the various delivery options, which include the scheduled time, maximum time, scheduled delivery, and more. If the toggle is on, customers can schedule their orders. However, if the toggle is off, they will not be able to schedule, but can place an order for as soon as possible delivery. You can set the minimum time after which a user can schedule an order. Also, we have the option to set the scheduled delivery time. You can view the Delivery Anywhere feature. If the toggle is on, delivery can be anywhere. But if the toggle is off, you can set a delivery radius. You can define the radius within which we provide our service. Additionally, you can view the slot timings. You can create slots or open for the full day. To set the slot, if not available for the whole day, you can set specific delivery slots, and by clicking the Save button, you confirm the delivery times, for example, from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. After setting up the delivery options, you must add delivery fees. Here, you can also set a fee for delivery. Click on the Add New button to add delivery fees. Here, we must engage the toggle to add delivery fees for a specific area. If the toggle is on, then we do not deliver to those areas. We are going to turn the toggle on. After that, you can calculate the fees based on distance. With the toggle on, then you can add delivery fees for distances between 3 to 5 kilometers and set the pricing. Click Submit. You can set a fee of $10 for deliveries from 3 to 5 kilometers. If the toggle is on, then you can add the price. Afterwards, you can view the default settings. If the toggle is on, prices will be calculated by default according to the price that we have added. We set the base price for distance at 3 kilometers. For 3 kilometers, we have set the price at $15. Here, you can also add the main fare. After completing 3 kilometers, as you go to the 4th kilometer, the price will show as $18. This allows us to collect the minimum fare from the customer. Following this, you can set the unit distance cost at $2, and then you can set the price per unit of time. The calculations will be based on the rates we have set here. You are also able to set tags for the pricing. To add text, simply add it and then click on the Add button. Our price will be updated from this point. This is how we handle our delivery fee section. Moving on, we will discuss the merchant time. We provide the option for merchants to set their opening and closing times. Merchants need the ability to specify their hours of operation. To do this, click on the Edit button, and you can set the time according to your needs. If you want to indicate that the store is open, the toggle should be switched on. When wanting to define a slower period, you can add a time slot. We're adding the slot here. Once complete, click on the Save button. On Sundays, for example, you can set availability for customers from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. These settings allow customers to book services with a particular merchant at designated times. Next, we'll proceed to update this information. By clicking the Update button, you finalize the merchant's time settings. Within these settings, we provide essential configurations for our service merchants. This includes all our settings, such as order timing, free delivery, cancellation policies, delivery areas, and the time slots for when they are open and closing. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you now understand the flow and all the settings we provide for our service merchants, including the ones for delivery services and merchant availability. We offer customization of time slots, delivery fees, and also set specific merchant time slots representing their operating hours. That's all the functionality we offer on our platform. We appreciate your attention and hope you find these settings helpful for managing your service merchant operations.